Please rotate your phone. Open Lightroom. Add photo gallery. Please subscribe my channel. Don't skip this video. Open colors. Open color mix. Adjust green color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust yellow color. Adjust saturation. Adjust orange color. Adjust luminous. Adjust hue. Adjust red color. Adjust luminous. Adjust blue color. Adjust saturation. Adjust hue. Adjust purple color. Adjust saturation. Adjust temperature. Adjust tint. Adjust vibrance. Adjust saturation. Open effects. Adjust texture. Adjust vignette. Adjust highlights. Export image. Please subscribe my channel. Please like me.